Hey, what's up guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at this beautiful rebound that we have been getting in the market. So as we talked about yesterday as well, that some of the stocks are showing light at the end of the tunnel for this rebound and some strength to come in, and especially semiconductors that I was talking to you guys yesterday. Now in this video, we'll take a look at Tesla because it also gave us that reaction at that level or zone where I expected this to happen, and a good rebound. So Tesla is what we'll take a look at. Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, and also S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100. So let's start with Tesla. Before that, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. And as per usual, all other tech stocks and all other coverage that I do with the members, that will come out for the members later today, where I talk more wider industry as well and how things are looking like. A lot more plays over there. If you are interested, check out the details in the description of this video, and also trading tools. If you are interested, check out the details in the description of this video. All right, so Tesla, a good rebound. As I have been saying, that this zone, the blue box that I provided you, is a zone where we have an importance in the price action to react, and we are seeing just that rebound after hitting that $215 area. Now on hourly interval, let's get to it right away. Now on the daily interval, this rebound that we have gotten, guys, is technically just a rebound, okay, in the structure. Now I want to recap a little bit to the yesterday's price action, because I didn't get a chance to talk about specifically what I said over the weekend around, or Monday I said, yeah, somewhere there, that after this fall, there is a possibility of rebound at 225, which can come all the way to 234 to 236. We got precisely that yesterday. All right, and yesterday then I mentioned that we are in the rebound formation. And today we are just continuing, and it has turned into multi-day uptrend, at least on the lower time frame. That still remains the case. Tesla has done very beautifully all that, held the higher lows, higher highs, kept regaining the significant levels above, and all is just fine on Tesla. All right. Now, levels to watch tomorrow. As long as Tesla can still hold above $240, we will still remain intraday, multi-day in an uptrend. If we lose $240, well, then we have lost that near-term structure, and then we are again heading lower. Okay, so this is the level to watch. 240 above, you should look still for, as long as the price action holds above it, for an uptrend play. It's important for price action to hold above it. Now we are also approaching a near-term, another resistance zone of 252 area. All right, and with that, there is also a pivot around there, and you can see today we are a little bit resisting here. Now tomorrow's another breakout move, just like today we got, could be as we break out above 252 and 72 cents. That can open up the doors to retest that $275 area that I have been saying in this rebound, overall structure in the rebound. That retest is likely, but I just want to warn you, take it as a rebound on the daily interval. It's an intraday, multi-day strength, but take it as near term a rebound. If price action will evolve further, that will show me more confirmation that overall structure is becoming bullish now. I'll talk about it, but we are many days away from doing that. All right, as long as you know what's the horizon of a particular trade is, that's the way to do it. All right, so that's Tesla. Let's take a look at now Nvidia. Now Nvidia is finding the bounce at the channel that I provided you, and I do delete that channel later because it just otherwise comes in the way of trading, and also to explain the things, right? But this is where I mentioned that, guys, we are getting to the bottom of this channel. I have been saying this from over the weekend, and we can expect some rebound here, a bounce here on Nvidia. It's just doing that. It's a good rebound, it's a good bounce. Okay, now I have said until where it has a possibility of rebound. Well, it does have a possibility until 126 through intraday and multi-day continue in these bounces. So let's get to the hourly interval, levels to watch for tomorrow if this intraday and multi-day bounce has to continue. Well, we'll have to see it hold above 113 and continue to stay above this tomorrow as well, if we want to stay in this intraday, multi-day uptrend, at least on the lower time frame that it has started to form. On the overall structure, it is also days away to form a good uptrend, but intraday, multi-day, as if it can stay in momentum, that can turn into overall structural bullish as well. Right now, it's a rebound on the overall structure, but it's important to stay above 108 and 13 if we want to continue to stay in this intraday, multi-day uptrend structure. All right, so that's Nvidia. Just keep also in mind we have a 200 hours moving average coming in, so things may also a little bit slow down there. So it has a room to a little bit go sideways. We'll see, but 113 above, we should be fine, at least for intraday. All right. Okay. AMD is the next one. AMD, beautiful price action. Also the zone that I mentioned about it. It's giving us a good bounce, good price action stabilization. It's not in a full on uptrend. It's technically still in the downtrend. It's a good rebound. So it's a good stabilization. Now we want to. I've said that $99.50 above is where some good uptrend will form, and that's the case right now. It has been forming those higher lows, higher highs, and we are above 99.50. 200 hours moving average is now where we are reacting. As long as we can stay above now 99.50 intraday and multi-day, we are becoming in an uptrend here as well. Okay, so that's AMD. SMCI, guys, this one I already told you, that this is turning around at that zone that I provided you, and $37, and mentioned that we stay above that, we will be fine. We are now fine on this thing. Not just today, it's been fine from yesterday, and we are just continuing higher. At this point, any of the significant level below has to be taken as a support. And yeah, anyhow, as long as we now stay above 38, 33 area, we are fine on SMCI. Let's see if it can push through. So, but yes, it's in an uptrend near term at least, and then $50 target remains our next target to watch, or 200 days moving average, as if it comes very close. So that's something to keep an eye on. So, but yes, it has been in that ongoing uptrend. And yes, it's a red candle today, but it's because also we in the pre-market gapped up, and it's just coming down a little bit there. Intraday near-term levels to watch would be intraday also. If we can stay above 41 and 64 cents, we are just fine intraday, right? And then overall structure also has already turned around from the zone that I provided you. Yeah. Okay. Now the next, well, S&P 500, NASDAQ 100. So let's take a look at NASDAQ 100. Okay. So it's still bearish. It's a rebound today. Definitely, as we looked at Tesla and Nvidia, they're doing, or semiconductors, they're doing better rebounds. And so is NASDAQ 100, but they also have many other stocks, right? So we are still in the bearish structure. It's just a rebound, and no sentiment of mine changes as long as we are below $500 technically, $495 to $500. We are still going to stay negative and bearish on this thing. There is, right now, we are still in the downtrend, in other words. Okay, there is no bullish structure on this thing. Can this continue higher though? That's another question. Well, okay, the good uptrend, it did try to form today by breaking above 477, but it failed, and you can see multiple rejections there because overall structure is negative. So rebounds, we don't know how. Again, we are reading the price action, and price action is like, okay, no, I'm still resisting there. As if we can somehow try to get above 478 tomorrow, near term 485 can open up, but overall structure, guys, is still negative though, even thereafter. Okay, this just, yeah, market is in the bearish territory, overall market, yes. And so is S&P 500, just a rebound, but anything below 565 or so, it's just still negative for me. It's still, you can see today, pre-market, it retested that very same area. We couldn't get up, and yeah, it rebounded, but that was it, right? A good uptrend will not form on S&P 500 even intraday without breaking further below if we are not getting above 565. All right. Okay, that's all I had for you in this video. Check out the details in the description of this video if you are interested in 50+ stocks coverage and the trading tools. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.